there, I'm Rhys Davies, Vice President Exploration for Laramide Resources, and I'm here today to tell you about the exciting projects we have across the USA and Australia and explain why Laramide are an incredible investment opportunity. Firstly, a quick standard disclaimer to point out that there are some forward-looking statements in this presentation and that all resource and project numbers are backed by NI 43-101 reports available on CEDAR and on our website. A quick corporate snapshot. We're a dual-listed entity on both the TSX and the ASX, with a current share price of around 80 cents Canadian and a market cap of around $200 million. We have a strong board and management who hold in excess of 10% of the company, and we have excellent exposure across all the major uranium ETFs. Our current cash balance at the end of the last quarter was around $5 million, and we are well funded to move our projects forwards. The uranium market has a structural supply deficit, which is forecast to grow into the 2030s and beyond as the world expands its nuclear power capacity to achieve net zero emissions targets. And fundamental to the Laramide investment thesis is that this supply deficit will likely drive the price of uranium upwards over time, and that the world will require Laramide's production. Laramide is positioned to help fill the forecasted supply deficit from our two flagship assets that have near-term production potential. Our assets comprise 117 million pounds of uranium resources across 4 late-stage, low-technical risk projects in the geopolitically favourable jurisdictions of the USA and Australia. Our two flagship projects, Church Rock in New Mexico, USA, and Westmoreland in Queensland, Australia, each host in excess of 50 million pounds of uranium and present favourable economic scoping studies with growth potential. Our US assets are located in the prolific Grants Mineral Belt in New Mexico, an area with significant historical uranium production which formed the backbone of supply to the US domestic nuclear reactor fleet in the 1970s. We also own the LaSalle project, a small £3 million deposit in Utah located only 50 miles to the north of the White Mesa Mill, the only operational hard rock uranium mill in the US. Church Rock is a sediment-hosted roll-front deposit amenable to ISR or in-situ recovery mining. It has a defined mineral resource of 50.8 million pounds. The project requires only one additional state permit before development. Aquifer restoration test work required for this permit is being conducted at Los Alamos Labs and is supported and co-funded by the Department of Energy. During mining, resins produced from the project will be trucked 25 miles to the NRC licensed Crown Point Central Processing Facility shown in this photo. The NRC license permits production for up to £3 million annually, representing a significant proportion of US domestic supply. The recently completed PEA or scoping study at Church Rock presents robust economics for the project, including very low initial capex requirements, low operating costs, pre-tax IRR of 62% and an NPV of $278 million. The initial straight-line production forecast of £1 million annually for 31 years will in reality be scaled up over time to £2 to £3 million per annum within the limits of the NRC licence at Crown Point. In Australia, we own the large £51.9 million Westmoreland uranium deposit, which is shallow and amenable to open-pit mining. The 2016 scoping study shows robust economics, but more significantly has huge growth potential. This potential is the focus of the 2024 exploration program currently underway. The bulk of drilling at Westmoreland this year aims to test and link the 3 major deposits of Red Tree, Junnagunna and Warrabagoo. Success would mean a significant increase in resources and would factor into mining optimization studies as we progress the project towards PFS. In addition, we expect a maiden resource at the Long Pocket deposit before the end of the year. Laramide presents an investment opportunity with significant upside through its near to medium term development assets in Tier 1 jurisdictions, exploration growth potential, and leverage to the global nuclear macro backdrop. For more information, please visit our website or contact Anne Baines, our Investor Relations Director. Details are shown in this final slide. Thank you for your time.